The EU Accessibility Act is coming into force soon, and understandably, we're getting a lot of questions from customers. This is a big shift. For the first time, companies across many sectors, not just tech, are facing real accessibility requirements. So I wanted to have this conversation with Hector, who's been driving this work inside Microsoft for years.
Yes, and the scale of this regulation is massive. It affects everything from e-commerce to banking to hardware. And for many of these industries, it's the first time accessibility has been on the compliance radar to this level of rigor. At Microsoft, we've been designing for accessibility for decades, shaped by both our values and existing regulations. What's changing now is that many more industries are facing these expectations for the first time. This is no longer just about doing the right thing, it's becoming a legal baseline.
We've seen that when companies take accessibility seriously inside their own walls, it's much easier to deliver on the outside.
Exactly. One of our biggest lessons, if you support your employees with disabilities well, everything else flows from that. Product design, customer experience, and compliance. That internal culture is the foundation.
And I think that's what's reassuring for customers. You're not just talking theory here. We've had to go through this ourselves.
Right. We're not scrambling to react, we're applying what we already know, but EEAA is complex. Each EU country is interpreting it differently. Deadlines, regulators, penalties. It's a lot for any team to track. So we asked, how do we support our own field and customer teams, legal teams, HR leads, all the people who need to be fluent in this without overloading them? Particularly when it comes to our customer and partner engagement, we want to have positive conversations about the EAA and to support their efforts, but we cannot give legal advice.
And that's where the Copilot agent comes in.
Yes. We built a Copilot-powered FAQ bot, essentially a one-stop place for everything EAA. Instead of chasing down links or emailing for clarification, you just ask the agent. What might an airline company need to consider when thinking about accessibility regulations? Or where's our internal guidance on accessibility testing? And you get what you need.
So it's not about replacing experts. It's about enabling scale, helping people get the right information fast.
Exactly. The bot doesn't give legal advice, it helps you ask better questions and get to the right human faster if needed. And honestly, this is a model customers can follow too. You won't solve everything with AI. Legal requirements need to be tailored to each company with human expertise, but it's a great starting point for organizing what you already have. Build your Copilot and let people self-serve the basics.
It's encouraging to see what we're doing internally, but some customers are starting to explore this space too, right?
Yes, there's a lot of interest in using agentic AI to support accessibility, whether it's for internal training, auditing content, or improving customer service. What that shows is that this tech isn't just about compliance, it's about creating better experiences for everyone, and doing it at scale and providing language according to how the question was asked.
That's what I love about this message. Regulation can feel intimidating, but there's an opportunity here, especially for teams who embrace it early.
Absolutely. The real value isn't in just meeting the legal minimum. Smart companies will go beyond that. They'll use the EAA as a reason to innovate in inclusive design, smarter tools, better customer experiences, and as an opportunity to keep their own people engaged positively. We use a framework we call Horizon 123. Support your own people, skill up your org, and then deliver accessible products and services. That progression really works.
Thanks, Hector. This was great. Practical, clear, and inspiring. There's work to do, but it's worth doing. And with tools like this, it's more doable than ever.